Get me out of the bed! Oh my gosh, that's doing flip. Oh man, I'm stuck. Ha ha! Bye!
Oh man!
Hey, what are you doing? To give you a win bump drive. You can move on. I'm trying to win the race. I'm kind of stuck here. I can help you, Will. Oh man, I'm stuck too. Better call the tow truck. Oh, someone's calling me. Oh, hello? Hello? Yes, I need a tow truck, please. Oh, yes, I'll come right back. Thank you, bye-bye. Much car I should take? It's gonna be here in just a minute, okay? Okay. No. Oh no. This one. What? Oh, I had one. There. That's so funny. Don't get dirt on that car. Good, so I'm trying to walk here. How are you gonna get me out with that thing? I'm walking. What car is that? Yeah. You can't tell you're there. Oh my gosh, he can tell me. That's a cute, nice little car there, sir. I don't want to get a doggy. You broke my truck. Sorry. I'm not gonna win this race now. What? Hey, you forgot about me. I gotta win this race. I didn't win. I won!
He stole our candy! Lise? Yes, we have a candy shop and somebody stole candy from my baby. You're the policeman!
What's the problem, guys?
He took our candy!
Why do you look like?
Was he wearing a blue shirt? And he had spiky hair
Oh no!
and glasses and
What?
he stole our candy.
And what is he driving?
He was driving a monster truck.
Thank you. I stole candy from a baby.
I love my garden. I just planted it. Aren't these flowers beautiful?
What beautiful flowers! I'm gonna go
hot out here. I'm gonna go get a drink.
My mommy would really like these yellow ones. I better hurry before that guy comes back out.
My flowers!
Thank you, sir, for the flowers. Now, bye.
Come back here with my flowers!
Yum,
I didn't catch him. I'm gonna have to call the police. Hello, police? Yes, somebody stole my flowers.
Okay. I'll be right there. Bye.
Yes, I'm over here, in front of the rock. Okay, bye.
He wasn't funny. He hit my truck. Hey, so what's the problem?
Well, I was over here playing my flowers and somebody took them.
Okay, why do you look like?
Well, he was in a blue shirt, and he had spiky hair, and he was eating candy.